What's up, guys? Tech Tony here, Pathfinder Digital Marketing. So, if you live in the United States, also probably if you live in the UK as well, which has GDPR regulations, but if your business connects business in the United States, your website is purposely targeting U.S. citizens. You all know how important data collection is. Not just data collection, but proper handling and usage of that data as well. If you follow the news, you know one of the many things is that Google, Amazon, now Discord, they're always in trouble with Congress. Somebody's always getting sued. Now, this is not legal advice. I highly recommend that, make sure you're HIPAA compliant, you are compliant to local laws. California and Texas are always doing stupid stuff with their privacy policy, especially California. If you can avoid California, that whole state is a damn mess. Always consult, depending on your business, always consult an IT lawyer if you can. And always make sure you're HIPAA compliant as well. But this is your standard setup for proper data collection. Now, in order to get here, you have to have Google Analytics installed on your website to begin with. And you're going to go to Settings, and under Settings, Data Collection. And this is a very big, important part of all this, because you want to go through here and turn everything on. Now, just start from the top. I'm not going to go into each individual section, but there is a pro tip here that you want to be aware of. Some of these have this gear. Granular location device data collection allowed in 307 regions. Chances are, especially if you're a small business, you do not need to be in 307 regions of data collection. So open up this gear, and this is how you know if you're dealing with a pro. Open up that gear and hit disallow all. And then if you're in the United States, go to the United States and either allow all states if you are a national U.S. company and you do happen to work with anybody in the United States, say like maybe e-commerce, for example, or you ship auto parts, as things, just think about who you are, who you actually deal business with. And if you need to, allow all states. Personally, I block California and I will block Texas. And they're in alphabetical order, so I will block Texas. Now, for this particular client, they're in Alabama, and because of our location, we do business in Florida and Georgia, and then hit apply. And there you go. That's all you really need to worry about. That's it. Keep yourself safe. There's no reason for some of you businesses to be out here in freaking Afghanistan and stuff, or Algeria. It has nothing to do with your business. It doesn't make sense. Just select it. Okay? Keep your data clean and as efficient as possible. And then if you're in here, just keep going down the row. There's one more spot. There's 3 areas to do this in, to start editing and everything, and then make sure you always acknowledge as well. All right. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit me up, and look forward to the next video.